The HZXVOGEN TIG Welder HVT250P offers versatile functionality with its ability to perform AC TIG, DC TIG, and Pulse TIG welding, making it suitable for a wide range of materials and tasks. This welder's Pulse TIG feature is particularly advantageous for reducing heat input, which helps prevent warping and distortion, resulting in cleaner and aesthetically pleasing welds. The digital settings allow for precise control over various parameters such as pre-gas time, peak current, and pulse frequency, ensuring optimal welding results and minimizing tungsten loss. With its 2T and 4T modes, the HVT250P is adaptable for different welding scenarios, providing flexibility for both repair work and continuous welding on larger projects. Safety is a priority with built-in protections against overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating, alongside a dual-fan cooling system that enhances performance and prolongs the machine's life. The compact design of this welder, combined with its lightweight build, makes it easy to transport and ideal for both home improvement projects and professional welding tasks.